Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely stunning Royal Enfield 500 Trials. Here we have a Royal Enfield Bullet 500 Trials Works Replica. This is a 2020 bike on a 20 plate with just 1,162 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and looks absolutely stunning. It's an absolutely lovely looking thing, this, a real proper retro. You've got the rack there, the upswept exhaust. This is a replica of the Royal Enfield 6-day Trials factory effort. It's absolutely beautiful. Even got a kickstart there, look. Has got an electric start as well, don't worry, you haven't got to kick it over. The bar ends, mirrors and levers are all absolutely immaculate, as is the petrol tank there as well. Lovely shiny cover there. Hello. Then you've got another cover which is again unmarked, no damage on the exhaust, no corrosion anywhere on this bike at all. It's absolutely spotless. It really is in like new condition. The wheels there, no corrosion anywhere there either, no dings, dents, scrapes, scratches. The rear tyre, got loads of life left in that. Oh, your rear shock there, absolutely superb. That striking red frame and subframe, all unmarked with no corrosion at all. The front forks, again, they're completely unmarked, and the front wheel, no dings, dents, scrapes, scratches, or corrosion, or pitting on there either. And the front tyre, loads of life left in that. As I said, just 1,162 miles. The front mudguard, again, great condition. As you can see all around there, there's no stone chips just on the front of the frame there either. Really is a lovely retro bike, this. Stunning looking thing. The left-hand side of the bike, that's as clean and tidy as the right. No damage to the mirror, lever or the bar end on this side. Likewise, all your gaiters are intact. And the forks, all unmarked. Of course, you get ABS, anti-lock brakes on this bike as well. Just looks like an old bike. You do get some modern features like the ABS. You get the centre stand there as well. There's all your engine cases and the cover, battery cover there. Again, unmarked, no pitting, no corrosion at all anywhere on the bike. It really is in lovely condition, this bike. It's an absolute stunner. If you're after a modern classic motorcycle, this bike does represent fantastic value for money. When you look at something like a Triumph Street Scrambler, it really is great value for money, and it looks absolutely superb, absolutely unique. So if you're after a modern classic, look no further than this Royal Enfield Bullet 500 Trials. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Lovely. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning Royal Enfield, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.